Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2016 Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, a bed liner, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.